What is up, nonks? Today, I'm gonna be cleaning my car. Right now, my car is messy for a couple reasons. One, I'm kind of halfway between my house and my girlfriend's house, so I'm always bringing clothes back and forth, and it's just a recipe for disaster. Two, as you guys know, I've been going on a lot of trips. I've been going on road trips. I've been mostly road trips, just road trips. But I've just been going camping, everything. So that's why today I'm gonna do a deep clean of my car, of the interior of my car, and then I'll probably go wash it too. Yeah, I will wash it too. So I'm gonna invite the nonk Corey over. Thankfully, he's gonna help me clean the car and help me record it, and vacuum it out, clean the leather, do everything. Gotta ding, bada bow, wax on, wax off. Yeah.
Alright, here's a little tour of my messy car. It's bad. And to make matters worse, California's on fire right now, so my car is ashier than my legs when I get out the shower. Not that my car is a stranger to ash. Anyway. Alright, here's the inside. Look at that. Trash. Yeah, look at them crumbs. No. To make matters worse, I knew I was going to film this video for a couple weeks now, so I just been letting it pile up. Alright, here's the money shot, the back seat. Ooh. Boy, this car need an exorcism.
Damn, this car dirty as f. You know what? You just throw it away, Orlando.
Hey, when'd you get here, Cor?
I've been here the whole time. I was inside your trunk, actually.
Oh, okay. Alright, anyway.
Alright, first step, I'm gonna get a trash. First step, I'm gonna get a trash bag. Get all the clothes out. Cause there's a lot.
Now pick up your goddamn pants, son.
Alright, Cor.
Inside, count it!
All these shoes. A lot of shoes. I always need some shoes. So it's kind of convenient to have them in the car, but it's not good for the mess. More shoes. Get them out of here. Running shoes. Clothes. Put on the washing machine. We'll wash that later.
Alright, moving on to step 2. Corey here was nice enough to collect the trash for me.
Ain't that some cold man gonna make me get the trash? Well, he's the one that created the trash. Look, I should throw you in this bag. That shit. So damn dirty, man. Got me doing the man's work. Now you do the little baby work. Oh, you kidding me. Liquid death.
Yeah, that's not beer, by the way.
Nope.
It's water.
Yep.
We're not catching a case out here.
Nope. Drinking water from the Austrian Alps. That's where it's from. Literally says that, actually. If y'all don't believe us, it says it right at the bottom.
Austrian Alps, that's crazy.
You missed the sock. Why? What is this? What's this for? I know you don't drink that much damn water. And also, where's the cap? Where's the cap? Why is it just one headphone? What the? What is this? What is this? Oh, just like that, huh?
Yeah.
What the? You don't even use this. I know you don't use this. I know you don't use that shit. And why? Why?
Hey there, Orlando here. If you are enjoying this video, it would mean a lot to us if you could comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Anyway, let's get back to the video so we can see what Cora found.
And why? 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 It's full. It's not even opened yet. It's not even opened yet. This motherfucker. This guy said, I'm just gonna keep this in the back seat just in case I ever decide to have some ranch dip, or if I ever gotta go to a party and they ask me to bring something. I got my old smooth ranch dip, supported by Lay's. Look at that, brand new.
Brand spanking new. For different time.
Let me see this shit. Where does it say?
It might not be expired, but
The 20th of, oh my god, this is a whole year old.
yeah.
This is a year, oh my god.
mask, you know, be safe.
This Dutch Bros has been in here every time I've been in his car. Still same, still filled. It's been in, and he's not even gonna dump it out. He's just gonna put it in the bag.
It's you know what? It might be a good idea.
Yeah. What the? Oh my god.
We might have to wash that out actually.
That's is that gonna come out?
It'll come out.
Yeah, god.
It's just Kool-Aid. This is a dirty chapstick. What? Repurpose it. Now the center console.
He doesn't need all this, but he just siphon into it. He really could just throw all this garbage away. All of it in here is just garbage. It's not savable. Oh my god, that's just throw it all. Come on, just grab clumps. Just grab clumps, stop grabbing things individually. Oh my god.
Dispose of it in the proper Alright. Time to vacuum. It's a college household, so this I have to do. After vacuum is done, we're going to scrub these floors courtesy of Shout Auto. Now let's wipe it all down with some Armor All Protectant. Ooh, he's as dry as a mug.
Damn, he's kind of dry too.
All of his stuff is dry.
We'll just use the spray. We'll just use the mixture of the spray with the wipes.
Caress it like a baby's bottom.
Like a baby's bottom. Mama. Alright, Nongs, we at Corey's house now, back from the car wash, and we gonna show y'all this transformation. Well, Cole, I'd say that's a job well done.